Good morning, fellow crafters and fellow coupon lovers. It's the Florida Crafter, and I'm here regarding the scenario that I asked you all for help on a couple days ago. Publix has these candles on sale, buy two and get one free. And then we also have this coupon that was in the Smart Source to buy two and get one free. And I could not figure out how that would work. So a lot of you all came to my aid and gave me your thoughts on it. So I finally got a chance to go by the store yesterday. So I went by and I gave it a trial run to see exactly how it would work out. So this is what happened. At first I bought four, I'm sorry. At first I bought four, and as you can see there are the four candles, and then it took the one off for the buy two get one free. And then for the coupon it took one off. So when you buy four, your order total is $6.98, 79-cent tax, with a total of $7.77. That wasn't working for me. So I went straight to customer service and I returned the cameras. I returned the candles and I did the transaction again. So when I did it again, this is what it looked like for just three. So you have three at $3.49, which is $10.47, and then for the sale it takes off one at $3.49, and then for the vendor's coupon it takes off $3.49. So in the end, for the three you only pay for one, and so that's $3.49 with the tax of 53 cents. So for $4.02 you get three Glade candles. I don't think it's such a great deal, but I went ahead and did it, and this flavor right here smells so good. I never had this scent before. Sorry about that. I had never had this scent before, and it's called Polka Dot Petals. Smells really good. So anyway, so if anybody else is wondering how this scenario will work at Publix, when you buy the three with the sale they have, buy two get one free, and with the coupon buy two get one free, you'll only pay for one. Thanks for all your help, and as always, thanks for stopping by, and have a blessed day. Bye.